7th Standard Civics First Lesson Women Empowerment. It means women rights. Viewers, subscribe my channel, press bell button. If you like this video, give likes, share it and give comments. This is from third term lesson. In this lesson, we are going to see about that is various role played by women in society, importance of women's education, to understand the role played by women in economic development and to understand the idea of women's right. This is what we are going to say in this lesson. Particularly, if we educate a woman, we will educate generation. That is, a single lady from a family or any family, if she get education, definitely that whole family and whole generation will be educated. This is what this lesson based on. The essential factors for women empowerment, that is education, gender discrimination. Education, it means on the based on the women empowerment, that is education gives one ability to think wisely and take thoughtful decisions. If we are the educated women or ladies, we can take decision fast and also good decision and wise decision we can take. Then second one, gender discrimination. A society which discriminates between the two genders can never be empowered. If there are the discrimination between men and women, the society cannot be developed. So the discrimination should be abolished based on the caste, creed, religion, etc. These are the factors essential for the women empowerment, gender and education. Women education is one of the most important means of empowering women with the knowledge, skills and self-confidence necessary to participate fully in the development process. More than 40 years ago, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights said that everyone has the right to education. So, before 40 years itself, the Universal Declaration Human Rights, that is UDHR, said that it gave importance to the everyone has the right to education. So, all ladies or women should get education. This is what said by UDHR. The girl child needs to be educated because to get knowledge and skills needed for the social interactions and self improvement. The unmatched importance of female education, increased literacy. In the worldwide, 63% of the women illiterates are there. Offering all children education will increase literacy rates, pushing forward development in struggling regions. Human trafficking. Women are most affected to trafficking when they are uneducated and poor. Though providing young girls with opportunities and fundamental skills, women trafficking can be significantly undermined. If they are the more educated women or girls, definitely the human trafficking will be avoided. Political representation. Across the globe, women are underrepresented as voters and restricted from political involvement. The United Nations Women's Program on Leadership and Participation suggests that civic education, training, and all around empowerment will reduce this gap. Then, poverty reduction. When women are provided with equal rights and equal access to education, Savitri Phule, as a tradition breaker, she was the first female teacher at the first girls' school. When we talk about the girls' education, only Jyoti Rao Phule is remembered as the champions of women's education in India. He, along with his wife Savitri Phule, opened the first school for girls in 1848. So, Savitri Phule and Jyoti Rao Phule was the tradition breaker. So, these people started first girls' school in 1848 to improve the women's empowerment. Factors responsible for poor female literacy rate. That is, what are the reasons for the poor female literacy rate? First one, gender based inequality. There is no equality between the male and female. Second point, social discrimination and economic exploitation. That is, in the society there are the discrimination between the male, female, caste wise, gender wise, etc. And third one, occupation of girl child in domestic choice. That is, girl role of women in the economic development. Women's empowerment and achieving gender equality is essential for our society to ensure the sustainable development of the country. There are more women's achievers are in India and also in the worldwide. So all the women should work for the women's empowerment or the to get the women's rights. Benefits of economic empowerment of women. Women's economic empowerment means Indian society is known for its unity in diversity. So India is famous for the unity in diversity, but though in the society there are the inequalities also is there. The women have faced economical, social and political discrimination in the hands of dominating sections. So this should be avoided by the rules, regulation, laws and the government actions.